Keeping track of every detail discussed during a client or lead call can be a challenge. To help you stay organized and ensure no task is forgotten, Houzz Pro offers call recording for iOS mobile app. With client consent, you can record a call made through the Houzz Pro app. After the call, you'll receive an AI-generated summary of the conversation, a full transcript, the audio file of the call. All of this will be stored in your notes under the specific lead or project. Before you can record your first call, you must verify your phone number to ensure your caller ID appears correctly to your clients. To do this, open the Houzz Pro app, then select an individual client or lead using the Projects or Leads tab at the bottom of your screen. Within the client's or lead's contact information, a pop-up will appear underneath the Call button. Tap Get Started to verify your phone number. Enter your mobile phone number, then tap Next. You will see a one-time verification code. Keep this screen open. Houzz will call you in a moment to verify your number. When prompted, enter the code shown. Once verified, this page will refresh automatically and you will be ready to start recording. Once your phone number is verified, you can start recording a call with either client or lead. Please note, it's important that you have the client's verbal consent before proceeding. You are responsible for obtaining all required consents according to your local laws before recording. If a client does not wish to be recorded, please stop the recording and continue the conversation normally. To start, find the relevant client or lead using the Project or Leads tab at the bottom of your screen. Within the contact information, tap the call icon to start a call through the Houzz Pro app. As your phone call begins, select the record option. When you start recording, an automated disclosure will play stating recording in progress. Once your phone call ends, you will receive a notification that your call recording saved. You will see a banner notifying you that the meeting notes from your phone call are ready to review. Tap View Meeting Notes to access. The call log will appear in the latest activity section of your project lead, as well as in Messages. You can tap to view the full transcript. Here, you can edit the note and also view the original audio attachment.